This is what's left of the blizzard that wasn't. They named it Juno and said it was going to be the storm of the century. It wasn't, at least not in this area. But it was the most hyped storm of the century.
Whiteout, blizzard of 2015.
Life-threatening storm.
Winter storm Juno.
Ferocious blizzard.
Epic, historic, record-breaking snowmageddon.
It was nothing in our area. Just a few inches, a regular old January snowfall. But that didn't stop both local and national reporters from trying to make something out of nothing.
I'm going to show you an idea of what we're dealing with. All this wind, here's some snow. You're going to see it go up. Check that out.
Right, look, hey, look, it's still snowing, see? It's still snowing. I'm not standing out here like an idiot. I'm covering something. Let me explain what happens. Television loves snow. Snow equals ratings. The hype leading up to it, the actual event, the aftermath, and the cleanup, it all gets ratings. And TV stations position crews, trucks with reporters and photographers on overtime all over the area. And back in the newsroom, extra producers, extra writers, all on overtime. And then when the snowfall doesn't happen, the managers stay with the plan. Because if they're going to look stupid, everybody's going to look stupid, regardless of the danger.
As the snow continues to fall overnight, only time will tell. Reporting live from Nassau County, Stacey Bell.
Now, it's one thing to make reporters stand on the side of the road, putting themselves in danger. It's quite another thing to put them behind the wheel, putting us in danger.
I'm Don Lemon in the Blizzardmobile, CNN's Blizzardmobile, and we're out showing you what's happening in Manhattan live as it happens.
Now, you may laugh at Don Lemon, you may laugh at the Blizzardmobile, but know this, the Blizzardmobile got the highest ratings on CNN that day, and Don Lemon, although becoming a journalistic joke, is also becoming a household name. It's the reality TV formula. You see, it doesn't matter if you make a fool of yourself, just so everybody knows your name. And our local politicians are following the same formula. New York's Mayor Bill de Blasio and Philadelphia's Mayor Michael Nutter basically shut down their city. New Jersey Governor Chris Christie basically shut down the entire state. And New York Governor Andrew Cuomo shut down the New York City subway station for a snowstorm. First time in history. They were all part of the hype machine. You see, it's one of the few times that politicians can get on TV for long periods of time, unedited, doing something positive, taking action, looking like leaders, and it doesn't matter if they're wrong or misguided, just that people remember their names. Just like Don Lemon, they all want attention. And there is a short-term positive effect for all of them in ratings and in the polls. But long-term, important institutions like journalism and government lose credibility. You can already see it eroding away in ratings and voter turnout. Now, the real damage that was done by Juno is trust. And that's something that can't be fixed very easily. I'm Larry Menti. See you next week.